Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this brown sugar cinnamon syrup. So it's really simple. We're going to do 2 cups of water and 2 cups of brown sugar and some cinnamon, and then we're just going to let that boil. I was at a conference recently in Chicago, and at this conference we got, first of all, Simply Organic sponsored, and so we got this fancy cinnamon. It was delicious. And the other thing that happened that inspired this recipe was they had these coffee carts on, most of the floors, and it was this company, and one of the syrups that they had was brown sugar and cinnamon, and I loved it. I got one every day. One day I got 2. It's not a flavor that I thought I would like because I don't really like cinnamon that much. I'm kind of allergic to cinnamon candles and stuff. But I absolutely loved this. And so this syrup is really great. It's really simple, and you can adjust the cinnamon. So I put in a little bit less. If you really like cinnamon, you might want to put in some more. But that's it. You can store this in the fridge for 1 to 2 weeks, and it's delicious in coffees. It would be great in some hot chocolate. But if you want to check out more, be sure to check out loavesandishes.net. And thank you so much for watching.